ingredients. That's cocoa, like rich dark chocolate and golden wildflower honey for our layered granola bars.
Go spin. Go spin. No, don't stick out your tongue. Go spin like you just were. Come on. Go. Where's the blocks? Go see the blocks. Where's your nose? No, that's your ears. Where's your belly? Whoops. Can you show me your belly? Where's your belly? You just want to eat the camera. Yeah, go out there and you'll be on the camera. Sorry.